This is the home screen of the application, and the text to video option where you can generate AI images using just a prompt. So here you have some preset prompts which you can use. As you can see here on the explore underwater, nothing much for that. And down here, just enter your prompt or something different from this here. As well, you can select the aspect ratio of the image. As it relates to that, as you can see, a lot of options you have there. You can select the style of the image, and you can see a lot of pretty much like I would say like a logo type of art here. Nothing much for that. And you have some other styles which you can use as well over here. So that's really pretty much it for that. And you do get one credit. You do use 1 credit to generate per image. As you can see down here where it says 1, and at the top here you can as well see how much credit I have left. So I've just tapped on the video image generation feature. As you can see here at the top, it's pretty much creating that image. As you can see, it's taking quite a few times to generate that image. And as well, you have the image edit feature. You do upload the image and you just enter a prompt on what you want to edit, basically. So nothing much for that. So over here now you have the text to video option and you have the image to video option. These are pretty much the same into your prompt. So the aspect ratio, you can see how much credit you need to generate it. And here you have the duration of how long you want the video. You have the 8 minutes option and you have the 6 minutes option here. As you can see here, not very long. You don't have the 10-second option, not 10 minutes of, not 8 minutes option. Sorry about that, guys, but 8 seconds options and 6 seconds option and 4 second options. You can see here the credits you're gonna need, how much credits you're gonna need to pretty much generate those videos. And be careful when you're you're navigating down here, because I've accidentally select this option here where you just start generating a video immediately. So be careful when you're navigating down here, because you will automatically or mistakenly select something down here. So do keep that in mind as well. This option here, just a sketch if you want to create a sketch as it relates to that. Nothing much for that. So here you can see you have the image generator section. Once you have generated an image or anything at all, it will show in the respective area. So if you have generated an image over here, it will show over here, and you can also go over here to pretty much edit that image. And as well, you can tap on the art icon there to add it as your favorite. So down here, nothing much. You can see pretty much everything that has been generated and the video section. So as it relates to the credits and your subscription, you do get 5 credits daily for completely free. I'm not sure if it will be added to the amount of credits that you currently have. I'm not sure of that, but you do get 5 credits for free daily. So here you do have the upgrade plan option. If you tap on this here, you can see you do get 5 credits daily with the subscription, which is the yearly subscription. You have the pro yearly subscription and you have the regular starter yearly subscription, and you get 500 credits with this option here, and you get 1,200 credits with this option here. And down here, the studio option is pretty much 3,000 credits, as you can see there. So it all depends upon what you want, guys. And you do have different section as it relates to that. You have the monthly section here. As you can see, you do get different amount of credits. You get the starter option, which is 500 credits, and you get the pro subscription here, which is only 1,200 credits. So as I said before, it all depends upon what you want, guys. You have the booster option, which pretty much only once you have subscribed, be able to purchase credits separately. So that's pretty much it for that. And you do get free credits by referring your friends to the app, and you enter the code here, which is the referral code. So all they have to do is just copy your code and put it here, and pretty much that. You each pretty much get 5 credits. You both get 5 credits basically. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.